Okay, so we're gonna see if Stoneking Armor can hold up underneath the weight of being run over by a vehicle. So we're gonna put together Stoneking Armor, easy peasy, lemon squeezy. And we're gonna place it underneath the car tire. I'm going to get in the car and we're gonna run it over. Good as new, didn't pop. So here it is out from underneath the tire. You can bend it back into place. Good as new. It after being run over, so if we want to try and get it back into its super duper original spot, all we need to do is pop this open. You can see it's still good as new to use. If you want, you can just put it flat out in the sun and it'll go back to its original form.